Hey everybody, I'm here with a quick video on Diddy. You know, this lawsuit thing is getting to be a little bit stupid. And why am I saying that? Not a drug cartel person tried to sue Diddy for trying to ruin his illegal business. I mean, make this thing make sense, but at least we could say the judge has some common sense because she was like, okay, enough is enough. And she threw that particular case out of court. But what is interesting is that Diddy has not one, not two, but three law firms on retainer because this man has so many lawsuits against him. He can't just depend on one firm to get him off. He has three. Imagine the amount of cash that is going out the door just on lawyers for Diddy. And listen, he has tons of lawsuits to defend himself against. So let's go right ahead and share screen and get right into this story. So first, let's listen to News Nation talk about with Paris Hilton, how, one, this drug cartel thing, two, how he is being implicated in, or he is being named in the Tupac Shakur Keffe D situation, and also how allegedly people from Diddy's camp put word or notice out to this guy Hilton here. I want to say his name is Perez Hilton. I'm sorry, guys. I'm saying, listen, stop talking about Diddy, and I'm summarizing it, but let's listen.
To Diddy, so Keffe D named Diddy 77 times in court documents related to Tupac's murder. But let's clarify this. This isn't the first time he's implicated Diddy, right? This has been a claim for a while.
Correct. And I have some exclusive information for News Nation.
Okay.
Earlier today, a representative for Diddy reached out to me, and he is working with, let's see, 1, 2, 3 different law firms trying to intimidate me because I spoke about this on my website, and they were not pleased by that. Off the record, they told me, oops, sorry, I'm not naming any names. Somebody that is a representative for Diddy, I won't say who, just adamantly is denying and has reminded me that Diddy has previously denied this, and that these new allegations are not new whatsoever, actually, that they've been around for a very long time, and according to Team Diddy, have absolutely no merit whatsoever. But the interesting thing to me is that he has 3 lawyers, 3 law firms on retainer. I don't know how much money is coming in, but I know that a lot of money is going out every single month for Diddy.
Because he's got a lot of lawsuits that he's fighting right now. And of course, there's the potential of criminal charges on the horizon. Does law enforcement, do they consider Diddy a suspect? Have they ever investigated him for this?
That's a good question. I'm not sure. The person that made the allegations is currently behind bars here in Las Vegas, where I live. And I respect our law enforcement here, but I somehow don't believe that they would be investigating Diddy for a crime that allegedly occurred in the 90s in a different city, in a different state.
Well, and let's also be clear. Let's play the other side. You also have a guy who's on trial for going to be on trial for the murder of Tupac Shakur, putting the blame on a very high-profile rapper. Take it for what it is. Now, let's talk about Keffe D for a second, because he's been in the news a lot recently, and prosecutors say they have new evidence that places him at the murder scene, right?
I mean, I'm surprised that it took them decades to put him behind bars. I would like to believe that this evidence is legit and that they have enough to convict him. I'm surprised that he's still behind bars. Like they consider him to be a real threat, yet he was here in the community for decades. We'll see. The trial has not begun yet, and he is trying to get out on bail, and there is a hearing scheduled on that soon.
Yeah, I think the prosecutors are saying he is a danger to society. And look, I think what they're saying is that his wife had booked a hotel room in Las Vegas, so his idea of not being there could be a little shoddy. All right.
What will you do when the power goes out? Power outages.
Okay, so Keffe D is currently on trial for the unaliving of Tupac Shakur. Let me just lesson that screen there. And so that's what they was talking about there. So Keffe D defense was that I wasn't there, it wasn't me. But now they have evidence that his wife actually booked a hotel, and they didn't see that initially. They claim is because the wife booked a hotel in her maiden name and not, Keffe D's name, last name, and that's why that was overlooked initially. But now they found it. So News Nation, a self-proclaimed member of the Sinaloa drug cartel, filed a lawsuit against hip hop mogul Sean Diddy Combs and Bad Boy Entertainment, alleging defamation that he claims ruined his illicit drug business. How you doing illegal activity and you think you're gonna be able to sue somebody because they blocked your alleged illegal activity? This is a mess. The case filed in the Southern District of New York was swiftly dismissed by Chief U.S. District Judge Laura Taylor Swan on August the 12th. Alfredo P. Gonzalez, currently incarcerated in Colorado, sought $666,000 in damages, asserting that Combs and his associates had tarnished his reputation in New York's criminal underworld. According to Gonzalez's complaint, the trouble began when he refused to assist Combs' alleged request to traffic minors for parties. So see, everybody's kind of like jumping on this bandwagon and want to have something to do with the downfall of Diddy. And I think they're going to muddy the waters. They're going to muddy the waters with, the true victims and truly get injustice when you have all of these other frivolous people just looking for a payday, so to speak, or looking to have their name to be part of said situation. So Diddy party footage keeping people quiet, 50 Cent. The plaintiff claimed that after declining these purported offers, he was told his life would be made hell due to the power Combs has in the streets. Gonzalez further alleged that this led to the loss of his New York-based drug business contacts. Judge Swine dismissed the case on multiple grounds because this is just craziness. First, she ruled that Gonzalez lacked standing to sue as claimed injuries stemmed from illegal activities not protected by law. Additionally, the court found the claims to be frivolous, lacking an arguable basis either in law or in fact. The judge denied Gonzalez leave to amend his complaint, stating that the defects in his lawsuit could not be cured by amendment. Combs has been at the center of a storm of controversial and legal troubles where multiple individuals have come forward with allegations of SA against him, leading to a series of lawsuits. These accusations have triggered a federal investigation with reports suggesting that authorities are looking into potential sex trafficking charges. Listen, guys, the other problem I think that Diddy's going to have right now, all of his cases are civil lawsuits, right? It just involves hitting him where it hurts, in the pocket, his money, his bank account. But the other issue is if they ever come up with criminal charges, I don't think Diddy will be safe behind anybody bars, because it seems as if he has a lot of enemies, and maybe a lot of those enemies are currently in jail. I don't know how this man will fare off behind bars. It's kind of ugly and it's getting worse as the days go by. But I was shocked to learn that he has 3 law firms working to try to get him out of these civil lawsuits that he currently faces, and perhaps maybe a pending criminal case. It's a mess. But listen, guys, chat with me in the comments, and when I get an opportunity, I will chat back. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. Everybody, thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts on this situation. 1, do you think Diddy is going to run out of money? Because 1 lawyer can break your bank. Imagine having 3 law firms involved in trying to help you solve these civil lawsuits. Do you think we're going to continuously get a whole bunch of frivolous people filing civil suits against him? I don't know what happened to working. Why is everybody allergic to work? It seems as if everybody wants fast money. And one thing I learned growing up, fast money is going to cost you in more ways than one. It may cost you physically, mentally, and financially, okay? Especially if you get caught doing set illegal activities to get the money. I'm good. Give me a job where I get a W-2. Not I want no job where they pay me under the table. Give me a job where I get a W-2. They took the taxes out. I got to file my taxes at the end of the year, and I'm doing legitimate work. Anyway, guys, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. Everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit the like button, people. Let me know your thoughts on this story, and I'll see you on the next video.